House C by Celoria Architects in Mendrisio, Switzerland. The house is located in an area called alle cantine in the municipality of Mendrisio. This area is characterized by the presence of prospectively aligned rows of houses built at the foot of the high rocky wall, dominated by the oratory of San Nicolao. A long tree-lined avenue leads to this area, where there are also some typical grotti, underground spaces with natural ventilation. The project stands on the foundations of a previous building, from which it has inherited its position and volume. The house is surrounded by nature, on one side by the mountain with its woods, on the other by the slope that continues down into the valley towards the San Martino area. The project is spread over 3 floors. The ground floor is for sleeping, the first floor is for living, the second floor is for dreaming. The ground floor, in analogy with the hypogeial type of cellars in the area, is the intimate and introverted level of the dwelling where the bedrooms are located. The first floor reflects the typology of the Mediterranean house, where the main entrance opens up to the dining room and the kitchen. The top floor hosts a single open space designed with a folded roof that makes the volume plastic and open to the surrounding nature, on 4 sides. In the center, the folds of the roof draw a skylight. The house is conceived as a massive reinforced concrete element rising from the mountain. On each floor, there are 4 blocks, which occupy the center of each facade and have architectural, structural, and functional roles. The elements bend inwards, containing the infrastructure of the house, such as the staircase, fireplace, cloakrooms, bathrooms, etc., and design the central square space of each floor, which increases in size towards the upper spaces. The structure is therefore the expression of the architectural body, conceived to promote a close dialogue between interior and exterior and between architecture and landscape.